Deep within the shifting dunes lies a secret, the world's most durable hide, transformed into a canvas of pure white. The fusion of polished walnut and this pristine material redefines the very pinnacle of high-end interior design. In our climate-controlled gallery, every roll is maintained to royal standards, ensuring absolute consistency in every fiber. This is where ancient desert heritage meets industrial perfection, turning raw tradition into industrial gold. I'm here at the Royal Factory to witness how a rugged desert shield becomes the ultimate symbol of global luxury. Moving from the sterile lobby into the heart of the plant, we enter a world of high-capacity manufacturing and precision. High-tech sensors sweep across the raw hides, utilizing 3D mapping to ensure only the most flawless skins move forward. The Great Hall echoes with the rhythmic thud of massive drums, marking the start of the deep manufacturing dive. As we leave the scorching desert sun behind, we step into the cool, controlled reality of our specialized intake bay. The journey begins in the vast orange dunes, where nomadic caravans provide the rare material defined by Arabian history. From the sands to our factory gates, every crate is secured and sealed with the mark of the Royal Factory. Our transport fleet cuts through the isolation of the desert, bridging the gap between the dunes and our laboratory. Security is absolute. Every shipment is laser scanned and verified before entering our automated industrial world. Advanced robotic arms begin the unloading process, placing the raw cargo onto our synchronized conveyor network. The visceral reality of manufacturing starts here, as experts manually sort through salted hides for the finest quality. Selected hides are hooked onto overhead tracks, disappearing into a dark tunnel of steam and rushing water. In massive hydration pits, swirling vortexes of filtered water remove the desert salt and rejuvenate the organic fibers. A final macro inspection confirms the rehydration is complete before the first physical transformation begins. The de-hairing process is a display of raw power, stripping away coarse desert hair to reveal the smooth skin beneath. Inside massive wooden drums, a caustic lime bath chemically cleans the hide and opens the fibers for tanning. The intense rotation ensures a uniform chemical reaction, causing the hides to swell and turn a chalky white. Unbolted and drained, the hides emerge from the mist, ready for the high-precision mechanical refining phase. The fleshing machine strips away organic waste with surgical accuracy, achieving the uniform thickness required for royalty. Enzymes and mild acids neutralize the pH levels within stainless steel vessels, softening the leather to its core. Technological precision is key. Every chemical concentration is calculated to the decimal point for fiber stabilization. We utilize specialized synthetic tanning agents to ensure the leather maintains its legendary and pristine white color. Manual quality checks confirm the penetration of tanning agents, proving that human expertise remains our final arbiter. Heavy-duty felt rollers squeeze out excess moisture, reducing the weight and preparing the leather for the finish. A high-speed band knife slices the hide into 2 layers, selecting the precious top grain for the royal collection. Leveling to exactly 1.2 millimeters, the shaving process ensures every inch is perfectly uniform for luxury upholstery. Specialized white polymers are injected into the drums, filling any voids to create a plump and luxurious hand feel. Essential oils and fat liquors are absorbed deep into the fibers, nourishing the leather to its final, supple state. Drying tunnels use warm spotlights to mimic the desert sun, slowly stabilizing the leather's moisture content. Vacuum drying pulls the leather tight against heated plates, achieving a fine, tight grain that is flawlessly smooth. The staking machine hammers the hide with thousands of pins, creating the famous flexibility of the royal camel. Humbling in walnut wood drums for several hours allows the leather to develop its unique, natural, pebbled texture. Fine grit buffing creates the velvet-soft matte finish that has become the signature of our royal interior designs. High-pressure air nozzles blast away every microscopic particle, ensuring a clean surface for the final protective layers. Robotic arms perform a synchronized dance, spraying a fine mist of white pigment and resins in our enclosed tunnel. Infrared lamps permanently bond the pigment to the fibers, ensuring the white color will never fade or peel. A final hydrophobic top coat is applied, armoring the leather against stains and moisture for a lifetime of use. Under tons of hydraulic pressure, the fibers are fused into an indestructible matrix of industrial-grade density. Vibrating rollers restore the natural drape, ensuring the material is soft enough for the most intricate furniture. Electronic mapping generates a 3D topographic scan, identifying prime cutting zones with high-resolution accuracy. A 60,000 pounds per square inch water jet slices through the thick hide with needle-thin precision, creating perfect straight-edged rolls. The hides rest in conditioning chambers, reaching a perfect equilibrium before they are sent to the world. Our master artisan performs the final hands-on audit, feeling for the soul and temper of the finished hide. Digital sensors measure every square inch as the leather is rolled onto heavy-duty cores for international shipping. Color variance is checked with spectrophotometers, ensuring absolute consistency for large-scale royal renovations. The thermal brand is the final mark of authenticity, the crown and camel, identifying the world's rarest leather. Random samples undergo destructive testing, proving that our leather exceeds all global standards for industrial strength. Rub fastness tests simulate years of wear, proving that the white surface remains unchanged through extreme use. Even after 100,000 rapid folds, the structural integrity of the camel fibers remains flawless and uncracked. Approved and verified, the rolls move towards secure storage, a narrative of excellence from dunes to delivery. Thousands of rolls await their destination in walnut wood racks, treated with the same care as fine art. Custom export packaging includes silk paper and care guides, ensuring the royal finish is protected during transit. Pneumatic sealers and wax stamps finalize the crates, destined for luxury yacht builders and private palaces. The warehouse doors open to the desert sun once more as the transformed material begins its return journey. Our final gatekeeper performs the last visual audit, authorizing the departure of our prestigious luxury cargo. The seal of excellence is applied, and the transport begins, moving from the factory to the world's elite. Biometric clearance marks the final exit from the royal grounds as the truck heads toward the shifting horizon. Across the orange sands at sunset, the white ghost of luxury travels in the very interiors it helped create. A bright beacon of industry in an ancient land, our leather leaves the factory to define global craftsmanship. In darkened showrooms across the globe, the roll is unfurled, revealing the flawless grain of the desert's gold. The gold serial number is the final proof of rarity, a testament to the pride of every worker in our facility. From minimalist sofas to royal wall panels, the result is satisfying, eternal, and perfectly, flawlessly white. The royal camel leather, rare, white, eternal.
The royal camel leather, rare, white.